Hi, I just want to take the time and say thank you so much to AGM. The 2 day mastermind for AI was the absolute best. It was more than I ever could have imagined. I didn't come into it knowing a whole lot about AI. I've messed around with ChatGPT a little bit, but this just opened up a new world for me, new opportunities to explore. I can't wait for the next mastermind. If anyone's on the fence about uh, signing up for a mastermind with AGM, I would implore you to sign up. Don't think about it. Don't ask twice. Just sign up, and you will not regret it. This has been by far the best experience that I've had with workshops and masterminds, and I've invested in a lot of things. So I just wanted to say thank you, and thank you again.